Hello class. Today we will discuss about the topic of strategic analysis and choices in the strategic management. Now what is the meaning of strategy analysis? The simple means of strategy analysis is the company has to analyze the outcomes of the strategy that company has formulated before implementing it in the system. Or we can say after analyzing the different strategies, which strategy suits the most to the system is implemented in the system. So choice means selecting the strategies to pursue so that the company will get the maximum from the strategy. To understand the strategy choice and analysis techniques, we have two methods. First is the BCG matrix. It is Boston Consulting Group matrix, and second is the SWOT analysis. Now first we discuss about the BCG matrix. In BCG matrix, we have two parameters as market share, that is drawn horizontally, and market growth, that is drawn vertically. Now in this diagram we have four sections or four quadrant. Number one is the dogs, number two is cash cows, number three is stars, and number four is question marks. Now on the basis of the market share and market growth, we can divide and approximate evolution of the company. Now first we discuss about the dogs. The companies or the firms that have the low market share and low market growth, they are considered as the dogs. Means the companies that are at very low level, that are very weak in market, that don't have any capital, resources, skills, and that have a very less margin of profit are considered as a dog. Second is the cash cows. The companies that have the high market share but low market growth are the cash cows. Means the companies that are doing well in no growth market with limited opportunities are the cash cows. Or we can say the cash cows are the companies that have enough capital to survive in the market when the market growth is not as per their analysis or as per the conditions. So they can survive, they can bear the loss, they can capitalize the market. These are set to the cash cows. Third is the question mark. The companies that have the low market share but having a high market growth, that are set to the question mark. Means they don't know what to do with opportunities, decide whether to increase investment or not, are said to be the question mark. Means the companies that are not able to upgrade themselves as per the market growth are said to be in the question mark quadrant. And fourth one is the stars. The stars companies are the companies that have a high market share with high market growth. Means they have a large capital, they have a very trained skill set, they have the resources, they are doing well, they are having multiple domain business, and they are earning profit from the market. Also they are part of the global economy. So these are the four categories on the basis of which we can decide the condition of our firm or our organization. So strategies should be formulated on the basis of analysis in which category the firm is currently working, and then how we can grow from one level to the stars. Like we can grow from dogs to star, we can grow from cash cows to star, we can grow from question mark to star, by implementing the right strategy, by selecting the right strategy after the analysis of the different alternatives present in the market. Now second analysis is a SWOT analysis. SWOT. SWOT means strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Now when we formulate any strategy, the company must analyze the strength and weaknesses of the organization along with the opportunities and the threats available in the market. Strengths and weaknesses are the internal factors of an organization, while opportunities and threats are the external factors of the organization. So again, on the basis of these four factors, we have four categories. SO strategy means generate the strategies here that use strength to take advantage of the opportunities. Means if we are having strength, we are having skill set, we are having resources, we are having capital, we are quite capable to expand our business, and we find any opportunity in the market, then we can quickly formulate the strategy and grab the market. So that is the SO strategy. Second is WO strategy, means generate the strategies here that take advantage of the opportunities by overcoming the weaknesses. Means after analyzing the weaknesses of the company, if company want to avail the opportunity, company want to expand its business, then first company has to overcome the weaknesses and then enter the market to grab the opportunity. Third is the ST analysis. In this, the company has to generate the strategies that use the strength to avoid the threats. Means company is having the strength and company can avoid the threat, or we can say company can compete with the competitors because company analyze the strength, company know what we can do to remain in the market or to overcome the competition in the market. So threat here represent the competition level in the market. If we are having a multiple domain in the strength, then we can expand our business in multiple domains. And the last one is WT strategy. In this category, generate the strategies here that minimize weaknesses and avoid the threat. Means in WT strategies, the company has to minimize the weaknesses that it has, and company will not compete with any of the competitor in the market and avoid the threat in the market. So the conclusion is, the SWOT analysis provide a logical framework for guiding the systematic discussion of the business situation, alternative strategies and the choice of strategy. Second, it provides a structured approach for the systematic comparison of key external opportunities and threats with internal weaknesses and strength. And third, for strategy formulation, the firm attempts to build upon its strength and eliminate its weaknesses. So after SWOT analysis, company know what are our strengths, what are our weaknesses, in which sector we can expand our business, in which sector we have to do the work to cope up with the competition, in which sector we have to invest the capital, in which sector we have to increase our resources, in which sector we have to increase the labor, raw material, etc., etc., etc. So after analysis only, the company will find the strength and weaknesses, and then only the company will move in the market to compete with other competitors. Thank you.